a little update from this week of trading. Essentially on Monday, lost my funding, so I took a couple of trades. They were decent trades, just didn't have a lot of drawdown after taking the last payout, so I ended up losing those accounts. Essentially took a few trades in a row that were losses, and then wound up in a last position where I only had a few hundred in drawdown left. It was a decent looking setup, so I just let that play out, and ended up getting stopped out on that. So I lost the funding on Monday, and then I spent the rest of Monday, and then yesterday I didn't trade on Tuesday because there was a bank holiday, a US bank holiday. So I spent the rest of Monday and then Tuesday getting the funding back. So that cost me $500 to go through that evaluation process again. So I've got the funding back. Just had to finish off a couple of trades this morning. Asia's just opened, so I just took those to get those ones across the line. And then these three other ones are already switched over to funded accounts. So these two will be switched over a couple of minutes, and then I can come in today, Thursday, and go back to trading as normal. So it's always a bit of a setback when you lose the funding. I've got a pretty good system in place now, though, to get that back. It just means that it's cost me an extra $500. Good thing is, though, now I've got more drawdown than what I had coming into the start of the week. So it'll be interesting. So basically down 500 so far for the week because I had to pay for those valuations, and see what the rest of the week brings. Gold looks like it's pushing up now, so we've been moving lower the last few days, and then yesterday's session we had a nice strong push up, and I'm basically watching for longs now as well. We've got this demand area we're coming off, this low volume node, and then we've got the 5,000 level. So I'm just watching to see if we get a push above this 5,000, and then dip back down into it, and I'll look for longs off that area. So anyway, all in all, bit of a, it happens. There was not much drawdown there, so that's fine. Passed the 5 accounts again, so I got the 250k funding back in one go, so it only cost me 500, which is good. And we'll see what today brings. My goal is, obviously I'll trade today, tomorrow, and then I'm hoping I can just trade, a few days next week, meet my 5 profitable days, take one final payout for February, which would make it an amazing month if that happens. And then at that point, I think I'll take 3 or 4 days off or a week off. It's just been a lot. It's just been a big transition to full-time trading every day, some days, long days, well, relatively speaking. Hopefully we can get that and I can take a few days off and just relax. But we'll see what this session brings.